Outstanding design defines the 2015 Ford F-150. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.